Hello, welcome to Techie Store. Let's look at computer shortcut keys for window management. Ctrl plus Shift plus N to create new folder. Press your Control key down, press Shift, press N to create a new folder. F2 to rename selected folder. Let's select this new folder. Press your F2 key down, and you can now rename your folder. Shift plus click to select multiple folder and files. Down. Press my Shift key down and select any place I want to select. Highlight. Now if I want to select from A to Mgt Trinity, just put my cursor, select A, then press my Shift key down and press Mgt Trinity. That will select from A to Mgt Trinity Tech. Ctrl plus click to select multiple files and folders that are not in range. Now if I want to select, maybe pick 3 things from this document, all I need to do is to press my Control key down, press whatever I want to select, then press 5. I've just selected 3 things by pressing my Control key down. If I want to select more, press my Control key down and select what I want to, just touch what I want to select. Thank you for watching.